Hello everyone, today I'm taking this video, just want to show you some of the material I got from the factory and show you the quality one by one. So if in the future you want to buy from me or from other seller, you can check the quality from this video before place the order. I will show you the wattage and the shortage. So first of all, let's check our finished tail lift. Look at this. Finished tail lift. The factory has a lot of color, but I got two popular color, the light pink, and this, I forgot the color. I think it's light champagne. Okay, then let's check the quality. First of all, this finished tail lift are made of the plastic, not fabric, and the color is not dye the color on the plastic. It just spray painting. And then let's check the quality. You can find a lot of leaf was lost. For example, a lot of leaves was lost, like this leaf, this leaf. Okay, and wow, these turns are very serious. This leaf, and this leaf was lost. You can take it as the quality problem, but we cannot avoid that, because no matter you buy from which factory, and buy from no matter which seller, a lot of leaf were missing. So you can take it as a shortage, but we cannot avoid that. So sometimes you maybe buy several more of the finished tail leaf, so that you can fix it. Okay. And then let's check this type of the name. I think we can call it Mystic Pine leaf, like this. Also, I got two hot color, light pink and the light champagne. So let's check the this one are also made of plastic, and the color they spray painting the color on the plastic, like this. Also, the shortage, you can find some of the, I think I cannot find a lot of leaf missing, but I think it would happen. Look at this. These leaves, I think, just dropped from the other branch of the Mystic Pine. I cannot find a lot of leaf drop off from this branch. So the quality may be a little bit better than this finished tail. Let's check the difference of these two items. This is, oh, this is the Mystic Pine leaf look like. And this is the finished take leaf look like. It looks similar, but they are quite different in fact. Okay. Okay, let's check the next item. The next item, we will check the reed. I got the orange color. We have different type of the reed item. This one and this one. This one reed only we have the leaf on it. But this type item we have some reed head on it. Only leaf with reed head. And also all the items are made by the plastic. The color are spray painting on it. We have a lot of color. You can check it from my blog. Find the link on the information field. And also we have this type of the reed. So we got very large leaf and larger reed head. This is light pink color and this orange color. And this one will be much more larger than this one. So you can check the difference. Use this color. These wreaths are made of the plastic, but this look made of nylon string. Okay, but these leaves are made of plastic also. Okay. Okay, then let's check this item. I don't know what it is. Just show you what it looked like. Because I have an idea, I think I can use this item, so I got it from the factory. You can take it as Mystic Pine also. This orange color. And also made by plastic, and the color or spray paint on it. This is dark blue color. This is white red. And also we have a lot of color. You can check it from my blog. This one was dropped off. So I need to put it back. Where it is? I think it should be come from this place. Okay. And there's another shortage was found. Look at this. I think this is the character of the spray painting. Look at the color. The color distribution is uneven. Look, this one. will be much more obviously. Look at this. There's a little deeper and a little bit something a little bit lighter, deeper. So the color distribution is uneven. But actually, the all over come out will be pretty. Look at this one. I don't know, this because of the quality problem or what, or the factory make it in purpose. Look at this. The color distribution uneven, but whatever. If you use them to make the decoration, the come out will be very pretty. You can check it from my old the following tutorial because I will use them to make some creation. And the last item I got from the factory is this type of the flower. Let's check it. I do not have any idea by using them, but I just got it from the factory because I think I could use it in the future. Okay, also they have a lot of color. They have blue, green, pink, a lot of color. But I just got 3 color from it. Okay, this is all the color I got from the factory this week. These items are very useful when you're making a flower garden on your event, but that needs a lot of quantity. But in the future, I will check all these items and find out if I can use them to make something unique with some creation, unique, to decorate your event. So when I got the idea, I will take the other tutorial and post on my channel. Also, if you are interested to buy them, you can inbox me via my Facebook page. Find the link on the information field will be okay. Okay, this is today's tutorial. I will waiting for my new post by using this item. Also, look at this. I'm wearing the glove, white glove, but after I touch so many of this item, I cannot find the color on it. Okay, it's still white, but because it's spray paint on it, I think they are the color, the painting will fit on the fabric, I think. But when I check it, I cannot find very obviously color on my glove. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye.